color is memory, and desert soil has been remembering for 10,000 years.
Chemise. Inside these rotating drums, stripped camel hide and bleached bone absorb natural pigments pulled from desert plants, pomegranate rind, sumac, and iron-rich earth. The same materials, the same process used before synthetic dye existed. What emerges isn't just color, it's a material that carries place inside it, making the viewer feel the texture quality, understanding deep brown burnished gold colors that European and Indian luxury markets pay a premium for, making the viewer experience the manufacturing process viscerally, because machines cannot fake what time and heat and organic matter do together, making the viewer see the volume and value of finished product, understanding this is serious production scale.
In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you the exact 4-stage drum process that transforms raw hide into premium desert leather.
For 10,000 years, desert peoples have preserved camel hide using natural pigments from the plants that survive this harsh land.
Camel hide traveled from desert nomads to Persian bazaars, Indian palaces, and eventually European luxury houses. Today, European and Indian luxury brands seek this exact color, a burnished gold that cannot be replicated. The color of this leather is the color of the land itself. Sun-baked earth, dried grasses, ancient stone.
But how does this raw material, stripped camel hide and bleached bone, become the gold that luxury markets desire?
Intervals. The journey from this to this takes place inside 4 rotating drums, each with a specific purpose, over the course of days.
The journey begins in the desert plains of Rajasthan, where nomadic herders raise camels for both work and material.
Each hide is stripped of hair and flesh, then generously salted to prevent decay during the journey, making the viewer learn the preservation. Alongside the hide, camel bones are collected, historically discarded, now valued for decorative and jewelry applications, making the viewer learn about sustainability.
The salted hides and bleached bones travel overland to the purely industrial TV tannery, where the real transformation begins.
This is the moment of transformation. Raw desert camel hide and the gold metallic leather it becomes. I'm here at Purely Industrial TV to show you exactly how it happens.
Stage 1 begins with soaking. The salted hides are immersed in water to rehydrate and remove excess salt. This takes approximately 6 hours. Lime and sodium sulfide are added to the drum. This solution opens up the hide fibers and removes remaining hair and epidermis. The hides tumble in this lime solution for 12 hours. The alkaline environment swells the collagen fibers, preparing them for the next stage. Stage 1 is complete. The hides are now swollen and ready for deliming, and the removal of lime and sulfide from the hide structure. Stage 2, deliming. Ammonium sulfate is added to neutralize the alkaline lime. The pH slowly drops from 12 to 8 over several hours. Bating enzymes are now introduced. These break down residual proteins, opening the hide structure to accept dyes in later stages.
The baiting process makes the hide supple and elastic. It's now ready for the most critical stage, tanning itself.
Stage 3, tanning. This is where the hide becomes leather, stable, durable, and ready to accept color. Making natural vegetable tanning agents are added. Pomegranate rind provides tannins. Sumac adds golden undertones. The hides tumble in this vegetable tanning liquor for 48 hours. Slowly, the tannins bind to the collagen fibers, transforming hide into leather. After 48 hours, the vegetable tanning is complete. The leather now has a deep brown base with subtle golden undertones. The Stage 4, dyeing. The vegetable tanned leather is now ready for the iconic gold metallic color that luxury markets demand. The gold color comes from micronized mica particles mixed with natural dyes. This creates a metallic sheen that cannot be achieved with synthetic dyes alone.
The gold pigment is applied directly to the leather surface. It penetrates the open fibers created during baiting, becoming part of the leather itself.
The leather is immersed in the gold solution for 12 hours. The constant rotation ensures even penetration and consistent color across every piece. A fixative is added to permanently bind the gold pigment to the leather fibers. This ensures color fastness, and the color will not rub off.
The first pieces of gold metallic leather emerge from the drum. The color is consistent, the sheen is rich, the leather is supple.
While the leather dyes, the camel bones undergo their own transformation. The porous structure of bone absorbs dye. The bones absorb the gold dye for 8 hours. The same natural pigments used for leather penetrate deep into the bone structure.
After drying, the bones are polished with mineral oil. The gold metallic sheen emerges, matching the leather's rich color, making the view. The drum ensures the pigment is perfectly set. Now we inspect the flawless texture, signaling completion of the process. The finished leather is hung to dry for 24 hours. Air circulation ensures even drying and prevents the formation of any stains or marks. The dried leather is conditioned with natural vegetable oils. This restores suppleness and flexibility lost during the drying.
Staking machine hammers the leather to break up any remaining stiffness. The leather emerges soft, flexible, and ready for final processing.
Each piece undergoes visual inspection for color consistency and surface quality. Only pieces meeting Purely Industrial TV's premium standard continue to finishing.
Streets. The gold-dyed bones receive final hand polishing. Each piece is brought to a high metallic sheen before being sorted and graded. Color fastness is tested. The gold metallic color is permanent. It does not rub off, bleed, or fade when exposed to water or friction.
Thickness is measured and recorded. Consistent thickness ensures reliable performance for luxury manufacturers, making the viewer see
The leather is graded and sorted. Premium grade pieces free of any visible defects are set aside for luxury brands. The gold-dyed bones are also graded. The best pieces with deep color penetration and attractive shapes become premium accents.
Edges are trimmed and finished. The leather is transformed from a rough industrial product into a refined material ready for luxury manufacturing.
The gold surface receives a final buffing. The metallic sheen reaches its full potential, deep, rich, and luminous. The gold metallic desert leather is complete. From raw camel hide to luxury material, and the transformation is finished. Finished gold leather is carefully packaged with acid-free tissue paper. Each piece is protected to ensure it arrives at the luxury manufacturer in perfect condition.
Gold bone accents are packaged in custom velvet-lined boxes. The presentation matches the quality of the material within.
The finished products are palletized and prepared for shipping. Premium leather and bone accents are combined for the luxury market. The factory manager performs a final quality check before shipping. Only approved pallets leave the Purely Industrial TVs. The gold desert leather and gold bone accents depart the Purely Industrial TV factory. They travel by truck to luxury manufacturers.
At the luxury workshop, the gold, leather, and bone accents begin their second life, becoming handbags, shoes, jewelry.
From desert raw material to luxury finished product, the gold metallic leather and bone accents have traveled a remarkable journey.
The gold color of the desert earth will be carried in leather and bone across countries and cultures for generations to come.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.